the Madlanga Commission is postponed for today after Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo falls ill. The commission's chairperson, Mbuyiseni Madlanga, just reported that at around 9:03, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who has been giving evidence and testimony over the past 2 days, left the precinct of the commission after not feeling well. Okay, and this is, remember, for those of you who have not been following the Madlanga Commission, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, he's the chief of the intelligence in the police, meaning he's the head of the intelligence in the South African Police Services. And he's someone who has been referred quite a lot by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and General Fani Masemola in their testimony, has been referred a lot as someone who will be